Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy with Neela. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today we are going to be learning how to say "What about you" in 8 different languages, including English. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video and turn on the notifications bell so you always know when I post new videos. Did you do it? Thank you, that is very helpful. Now, let's start learning. As you can see, we are going to be learning how to say "What about you" in 8 different languages: English, French, Spanish, Mandarin, Italian, German, Portuguese and Dutch. Let's start with English first. Repeat after me. What about you? What about you? One more time. What about you? Good job. Now in French. Et toi? Et toi? Et toi? Good job. Now in Spanish. Y tú? Y tú? Y tú? Now in Mandarin. Ni ne? Ni ne? Ni ne? Now in Italian. E tu? E tu? E tu? Now in German. Tu? Und du? Und du? Now in Portuguese. E você? E você? E você? And finally in Dutch. Jij? 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 Wonderful! You just learned how to say "What about you" in 8 different languages. Let's go over it one more time. Starting with English. What about you? What about you? Now in French. Et toi? Et toi? Now in Spanish. Y tú? Y tú? Now in Mandarin. Ni ne? Ni ne? Now in Italian. E tu? E tu? In German now. Und du? Und du? Now in Portuguese. E você? E você? And finally in Dutch. Jij? Jij? Amazing! Well done! You did great today. Remember, keep learning, keep on learning. Bye! See you next time!